Philippine peso slips on disappointing GDP. Asia FX muted before CPI data. The Philippine peso fell the maximum among its Asian friends on Tuesday after the United States of America and RSQUO's second quarter GDP rose less than expected, at the same time as maximum other nearby units moved little beforehand of key U.S. inflation information. As of 2300 ET 0301 GMT, the USD PHP fell 0.4% to 55.585 against the dollar. Government statistics showed that the Philippine economic system elevated by means of 7.2% in the second sector, beneath analyst expectations of 8.6%. But the studying became nevertheless inside the United States and RSQUO's authentic increase goal. But a lower than expected reading may additionally see the Philippine Critical Bank decrease the value of its hobby price hikes this year, because it struggles to fight runaway inflation. Data remaining weak confirmed Philippine CPI inflation rose greater than anticipated in July. A blend of heated inflation and rising interest costs are in all likelihood to weigh on economic increase inside the Southeast Asian financial system. Among other Asia-Pacific currencies, China and RSQUO's yuan, the Japanese yen and the Australian dollar moved slightly 0.1% in either direction towards the dollar. The U.S. dollar index became muted on Tuesday, even as Greenback Index futures also moved little ahead of a key CPI studying on Wednesday. Analysts are looking ahead to an annual studying of 8.7%, down from the 9.1% rate visible in June. While the reading will possibly imply that U.S. inflation has peaked, consumer expenses will nevertheless be pinned to their maximum level in 40 years. Given that the Federal Reserve has signaled a data-driven method to adjusting hobby rates for the remainder of the year, the studying is in all likelihood to issue into their September assembly. Several Fed officials had signaled remaining week that greater policy tightening is needed to fight red-hot U.S. inflation. In Asia, buyers will also be seeking to Chinese CPI figures on Wednesday, to gauge the entire impact of latest COVID-19 lockdowns on the economy. Consumer fee inflation inside the world and RSQUO, South's second large street economic system, is predicted to have risen slightly in July, while producer charge inflation is ready for a sharp decline.